Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows activations error code 0X80041024 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So generally, Windows activations is a very important step towards making the operating system genuine and functioning as expected. So there are some reasons of this error like invalid unrecognized product key, corrupted system files, or issues at the end of the activations service itself. Kung paano ba yan natin i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to verify the product key. So kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then select mo lang dito yung system. At dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung activations. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung activation settings. So, click mo lang yan. At dito ay makikita mo na yung Windows 11 activations state. And dito lang sa baba ay ito yung upgrade your editions of Windows. So, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. At nandito na kaagad yung change product key. Alright? So dito ay kailangan lang natin i-verify itong ating product key system. So i-click mo lang dito yung change. Alright, so after dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to run activations troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system, at dito lang sa right side ay scroll down, and then select mo lang dito yung activations. So click mo lang yan. And then dito lang sa kanyang upgrade your editions of Windows, click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then dito ay may makikita kang troubleshooters. Alright, so once may makita kang troubleshooters dito na settings, and then kailangan mo lang i-click yan. Okay? So, after dito ulit sa settings, and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair corrupted files. So, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym space / online space / cleanup image space / restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung edit, and then i-click mo lang dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B, and then click mo lang yan and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type lang natin dito yung command keyword na sfc space / scan now. And then all is small letter lahat, and then yung scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And then beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit lang natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And then next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Activations error code 0X80041024 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.